Welcome to Oxford Comma. In the spirit of the nominal piece of punctuation, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things that I think you might want to know about my channel. In this channel, I take an in-depth look into poems, short stories, plays, and some novels, as well as provide some interesting resources for students and teachers studying literature or the English language in general. Oh, a lot actually. Thank you for asking. I'm going to be working to finish up some old series, start some new ones, and continue to take an in-depth look and analysis into poems and short stories. Also, I've started a Patreon. I know, how original, but I have genuinely tried to make this a rewarding experience for anyone who wants to support the channel in that way. You can vote for a new poetry video every month, as well as claim some cool bookmarks that we've designed, and even gain some access to monthly editing from myself on any academic or artistic projects that you want some feedback on. So if you're interested in doing that, I would really appreciate you at least just checking out the page. But if you're not, I am so incredibly grateful for any subscriptions and likes and comments, or even just watching it and not commenting something mean. I always like that as well. But in all honesty, I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I know a lot of people are here because they're struggling with something that they're reading, or they're maybe behind on a deadline, or maybe they're just, learning a new language, learning English or something. And I know it takes time to watch one of these videos, and I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. So thank you for all the support in the past and any support that's on the way. I really do appreciate it. Have a great year, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Happy reading. So I have a confession. The Oxford comma, it actually isn't my favorite piece of punctuation. Also, this whole bit isn't a secret. I just have to lean this way to get into the shot. So I went with Oxford comma all the way back in 2015 because the Oxford comma as a piece of punctuation is uniquely not necessary. What I mean by that is you don't actually have to use it. In fact, there's some professions like journalism, for instance, that shies away from using it for, space saving and all that sort of stuff. But what the Oxford comma does provide is clarity. There's the old adage about that classic book dedication about the author whose parents are Ayn Rand and God. Without an Oxford comma, situations can get confusing. An Oxford comma helps to make things clearer, but you don't have to use it. Likewise, I don't believe you have to watch any of my videos to successfully read Never Let Me Go, or study poetry, or short stories, or plays, or any of that sort of stuff. It's just supplementary, and it can hopefully add some extra information, detail, and make your reading experience a little clearer than it might have been otherwise.